Good morning, my dear children. Take out your English 2 book, page number 49, chapter 7, The Kite. Yesterday, I started this chapter and I just read the lines, and also I gave you the work to read these words and do reading practice at home. So today I will explain the chapter, chapter 7, the kite. Kite, you know what is kite? See, you can see the picture of a kite here, no? Can you see the kite? It always wags its tail and shakes its ears. So, can you see the kite? What does it do? It always wags its tail. See, wags means move the tail. It always moves its tails and shakes its ears, and also you can see the ears, it also shakes its ears. Then it breaks its string and flies away. It is a naughty kite, and what it is said is that it always breaks its string, means the thread of this kite. It breaks its string and flies away. And flies away. So that's why it is said that it is a naughty kite. It sits on the tops of houses and gets stuck in trees. It falls into ponds or on the grass. And when it flies away, it sometimes gets stuck. It sits on the tops of houses. See, you can see a house, no? It sits on the house, on tops of the houses. After the strings break, the kite, it will sometimes sit on the roof of the houses and get stuck in trees, and sometimes it gets stuck in trees. It falls into ponds or on the grass, and sometimes it falls on the ponds and all, and on the grass means on the garden and all. It has a snow white face and pink and white ears. It is such a pretty kite. So what it is said that it has a snow white face. See, snow white face. The color of the kite is white. So it has a snow white face and pink and white ears. And pink and white ears. So that's why it is said that it is such a pretty kite. The kite is very beautiful. So today I'll explain you only this much. The next part I'll explain in the next class. So today I'll only explain this much, and what it is said is that till here that a kite. Can you see the kite? It always wags its tails. It always moves its tails and shakes its ears, and it breaks its strings and flies away, far, far away. And when it breaks its strings and flies away, sometimes it sits on the roof of the houses and gets stuck in the tree, and sometimes it gets stuck in the trees and all, and it falls into ponds or in the grass also. And it said that the kite has a snow white face and pink and white ears. It is a pretty kite. So that's why the kite is very beautiful. The kite is very pretty. So today I'll explain you only this much. We will continue the chapter in the next class. So today only this much. Thank you.